Hi guys, welcome back to the Captured Chronicles. How are you all doing? Let me know in the comment section below. A very happy Wednesday to all of you. Guys, today's video will be very interesting. As you can see, I'm not shooting at my home. I'm out of my home. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, I'm here. I'll show you guys where I am now. Just wait a second. Finally, I'm here in the most crowded market of Kolkata. And I'll show you guys how the place is. The first thing in Newmarket which grabbed my attention were the sunglasses. They were so good and amazing, yet they were so reasonable. I just fell in love with them. Even I bought one of them. If you guys wanna see, let me know in the comment section below. You'll get amazing clips and a number of jewelries, many things in this place. Just guys, see how beautiful is this place. See the collection. So guys, the collection of earrings, it's huge and amazing. You will get earrings for every occasion in this place. This place is a must visit, guys. They have an amazing collection of jhumkas and whatnot. The jewelries were so good and reasonable, and the quality was amazing. I just loved them a lot. Came the turn of the hair accessories. They were so amazing. They had a huge collection. Another favorite thing of mine was available in Newmarket. Those were the Marvel and the DC keyrings, that is the special characters keyrings and the coin bags. They were amazing. I just loved them, and they were so reasonable. They were super good. The bags collection in Newmarket are really recommendable. They are so good, and you'll get bags of any type you want. From reasonable to higher end, you'll have everything there. And I spoke to a bag seller in Newmarket who described his condition in the COVID times with so much stock with them. So guys, we have seen the amazing collection of bags. Now মানে এত কালেকশন কিভাবে মেইনটেইন করেন, মানে এই কোভিড এর পরে কি রকম মানে ভীষণ অসুবিধা হওয়ার তো কথা।
এখন যা চলছে সবার রকম পুরোনো স্টক নিয়ে চলছে, এখন নতুন মাল এসে যা আছে পুরোনো স্টকগুলো সব বিক্রি হচ্ছে।
কিন্তু মানে এই লকডাউনের ওই কটা মাস তো ভীষণ অসুবিধা হয়েছিল এগুলোকেও মেইনটেইন করার জন্য, পুরো তো বন্ধ ছিল।
অ্যাড্রেসটা বলে দাও তোমার, মানে কি করে আসবে তোমার দোকানে?
এখানে নিউ মার্কেট 19 নম্বর গেট, যাকে আপনি এখানে সব আছে
19 নম্বর গেট। So guys, please come and visit this place. This is amazing. After getting into the Hog Market, that is the oldest market of Kolkata, I saw many shops of home decor, crockeries, shoes, clothes and many more. The place I next visited was Nahom's. For me, Nahom's and cakes are inseparable from my childhood. So guys, I'll show you the place. This is amazing. The cakes, the cookies and everything available are so tasty and so good. And then I tasted a pastry which is also amazing. I just fell in love with the taste once again. And now come the shoes. They are also great and they have a wide variety of shoes and very reasonable. And then comes another favorite shop of mine, that is the Babarali Sirdar. You'll get everything you need to bake a cake, the chocolates, everything from cream cheese to fondant to decorative items to everything what can come into your mind for baking a cake. Everything is available in the Babarali Sirdar, and I am in love with this place since my childhood. And as I love baking a cake, this shop is always a must visit for me whenever I go to Newmarket. Now, this time after I came out from Babarali, I was very hungry, so I tasted a naan and malai kofta from the shop just in front of Babarali. It was amazing, and it costed me just 40 rupees for a naan and malai kofta. You can see the texture of the food.
Here today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. See, I have bought so many things from Newmarket, and if you guys want to see what I have bought, I'll do a Newmarket haul for you guys. Let me know in the comment section below, and please like, share and subscribe to Captured Chronicles. See you again on Sunday. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you guys.